Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're gonna be talking all about dropshipping orders and suppliers and fulfillment and sourcing, everything in between is gonna be super clear. I'm gonna show you the best platform to automate your entire dropshipping business, from finding products, listing products, automating the orders fulfillment, and also they can help you do branding and so much more. So without any further ado, let's dig into the platform that we have in front of us, Dropshipman. So the Dropshipman is basically a complete solution for dropshipping business automation. This is the true meaning of passive income. So you have orders coming in and the supplier is just shipping out the products without you lifting a finger, having the process super smooth. You can either import the products from AliExpress in bulk, so you can list like hundreds of products in just one click. And you can even source any product that you have on the store and you don't have supplier yet for it. You can just click request sourcing and these guys will go ahead and source the best price for you and the best possible shipping time. So by far one of the best platforms I came across. Super easy to automate your entire business using these guys. They have fast and reliable order fulfillment. They have their own warehouse. They also have this feature to store your own inventory. So you can buy some stock when you have a winning product and then you want to speed up the process. You can buy some stock, store it with them, and have them inspect the quality of the product and also ship it for you in a record time. They have this amazing feature that they recently released that they can also brand your product and packaging, which is honestly like the next level of dropshipping. You're no longer just selling generic products from China. You have your logo and branding on your packaging and as well as on the product. For a very small fee, you can add this to your products and start to differentiate yourself from other competitors. Super handy, and they give you all the solution in one platform. That's what I really love about them. I mean, there's so many solutions out there for order fulfillment and suppliers, but this brings it all together in one platform. You can find, list, and fulfill, brand, stock, everything is just in one platform. And the nice thing is that they have their own Shopify app, which integrates very nicely in your Shopify store, and you can monitor everything, all the moving parts in your business from inside of this dashboard. Let me move this camera here. So you see that you are automatically assigned with the agent that will handle all your issues, anything that you have in mind, any issues that you encounter. You'll have an agent just like this here available for you to answer all your questions. You have their email, WhatsApp number, Skype, and even the live chat. So this is by far the best support you'll ever get when it comes to dropshipping agents, because they are dedicated to doing this job only to make sure that you are getting your orders shipped, you're getting the sourcing that you needed, any stock, any branding. You can directly talk to the agents available for you in your Shopify app inside of your store. You can start using them completely for free, so you have nothing to lose. You can test it out and try it for yourself. And of course, they have more features once you upgrade. When you upgrade, you can even remove the Chinese writings that are on the product. Any generic product from China usually have like some Chinese writings. These guys can remove it for you. So let's go ahead and explore what can you do with this software in your Shopify store. So once you install it, you'll have access to this dashboard and you can find winning products right from here. They give you recommendations of trending products, winning products, and new products in the market. So let's have a look, for example. Quite uncommon products that are not like saturated yet. They are very new and still have decent amount of orders. So these are definitely worth a try, and you can pick something from here and test it if it fits your niche, of course. Now, the next nice feature that I really love about this app is you can post any sourcing request for free. You don't have to pay anything for sourcing. You can just come here and then do a sourcing request. You can put in the title. You can put in the title here, upload the images, any link that you have for the product, whether it's from other Shopify, Amazon, or AliExpress. You can put it in here, write some description if you have specific variant that you're looking for, and then you can put the link, product type, target price, and then the destination country is where you want to ship that product. So very easy and straightforward. You can also do like a private product listing so that not everyone will have access to your product. You can just source it and then you only sell it through their platforms and they don't share it with other clients. Very nice and exclusive feature for their customers. Now you can also easily list products from here straight away Once you can import from AliExpress, you can even import from Timo, and you can also, they are partnered by the way with Trust2.io. This is a reviews app. You can collect reviews directly with this app integration because they are partners. Now your orders will automatically come up here. You can see all your orders coming up here. So if you have something that is not connected yet or not sourced yet, you will see something like this. It says await sourcing, and you can just click request, sourcing request, and then you'll just have it in a matter of few days, couple of days, you'll have the sourcing, the quotation with the shipping and everything included. It's a super complete solution for drop shipping, from finding product, listing, sourcing, and even branding and personalized support. That's what really separates them. You always have this chat live with your agent. So whenever you have something, you have a question, you have a problem, you have someone to talk to and get your problems fixed. So you see how easy it is to manage your entire dropshipping business from just one single dashboard. It makes your life super easy. You can just select the orders that you want to pay, and you do bulk payment. Even 50 orders together, you can just do one click and all your orders are just fulfilled. Going out to your customer addresses, you can also track the orders that you shipped through this dashboard. You can see where exactly the order. So in case any inquiry about the orders, you'll have the tracking ready for you. Just complete peace of mind. You can do auto fulfillment. You can top up your account balance so that whenever you get an order, they just ship it for you without even you having to log into the dashboard. You see how easy they make it for you. So I'll definitely recommend you guys go and check it out and download it in your Shopify store. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for a completely free trial, so you can go ahead and try it, experience the power of automation for dropshipping business, especially if you're using Shopify. So I hope you guys found some value from this video. Give Dropshipman a try. I'll leave the link again in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.